Welcome back to the Homegrown Artist, or welcome to the Homegrown Artist if you are new here. My name is Michaela, and today we are digging up our sweet potatoes. If you are new to my channel, you may not understand why this is such a big deal. First of all, we absolutely just love sweet potatoes. I could eat a sweet potato every day for the rest of my life and be perfectly happy. But last year, this was one of the first things that I kind of posted about on my channel was our sweet potatoes and how we lost an entire harvest, an entire crop of sweet potatoes due to a lot of unforeseen circumstances, namely having them accidentally plowed through by a well-meaning family member. So today we are going through and digging up all of our sweet potatoes that have been growing over the summer and growing this season. We dug some of them up last night because we just wanted to see what there was, and oh my goodness, they have done amazingly. We just dug up, I think, 2 rows last night. So this and then 3 full buckets of sweet potatoes from 2 little rows. I'm so excited. I'm beyond words. Let's go get our hands dirty. There was so much footage of me working in just this one area to get this tiny clump of potatoes up, but once I managed to get past this section, it went a lot faster because I was able to find the potatoes easier. Where is my bucket? Oh, where? Oh, look! I found a big one!
There's a row right here, Brian.
Oh, there's potatoes all over the place. Of our own in this garden that all of us have done together, we've not had a successful potato harvest.
I'll give it back in a minute.
Whoa! Hello, my friends. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, and there are more connected to this one. Okay. Heck yeah. My family spent probably a good 30 seconds laughing at me trying to get a thumbnail, but I always forget, so I wanted to make sure I got one this time. You are a little dirt girl. Come on, buddy. It's time to let go. I know change is scary. Our potatoes grew oddly close together this year, and we've never really had a successful harvest of potatoes, but I think it may be because our ground is so hard that they weren't able to go any deeper and they started to just emerge from the top. I think I'm finding some. Right, I'm just making a pile. Oh, potatoes and molasses. If you want some, oh, just ask us. They're warm and soft like puppies and socks. There's only one thing to keep your brain from crumbling. I don't think you guys understand just how much of this footage was quiet breathing noises and ambient potato sounds. Okay, so we weren't able to get any more today. We still probably have about 2 or 2.5 rows left, but we got 1 full bucket of the regular like red sweet potatoes, and we got a small like partial bucket of the purple sweet potatoes. So I'm very excited to see. We're gonna have to come back and get the rest of them sometime this week, but we're gonna go home and lay them all out so they can start to cure. And from what I've heard, and by heard I mean from what my grandmother says, they are supposed to sit for about 2 weeks to cure because they're fine to eat right now, but they're not going to be as sweet as they could be. So we're going to let them sit for a little while and get as sweet as they can, and I'll check back in with you tomorrow. Hello everyone. So I wanted to show you what we had done with the potatoes that we got and the ones that my mom went back later and got while my sister and I were at work. And we had all of them spread out on the truck bed, and we're gonna let them cure so that they would get even sweeter. But we had that really quick cold snap, the freeze overnight, so we had to bring all of them inside. And what we've done with them is we have taken some of like the plastic tubs from Walmart, filled it with the pine shavings. So this right here is how we've stored ours. We have our potatoes. We did not wash them off. We just brushed some of the big dirt clods off of them, but we have them in a nice cozy little bed of pine shavings where they shall stay until they are cured and ready to eat, in which case once they get to that stage they'll be gone pretty quickly. That is how we store ours, and they keep for a very long time. I was so excited to have a successful sweet potato harvest this year. This has meant so much to me because I could happily live off of sweet potatoes for the rest of my life, needing nothing else. I mean, of course I need like other nutrients, but taste-wise, sweet potatoes are it, man. You can do savory, you can do sweet. There are so many ways to do them that just tickle me pink. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.